In today's video, we're going to be talking about the new Moto G Stylus 2024 that's actually releasing at the end of this month. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. In this video, we're going to be talking about the long-awaited Moto G Stylus 2024, the release date obviously, and some of the specifications and stuff we can expect from this device. Now first and foremost, if you guys want to go ahead and check out this article on your own time, it's from Phone Arena. I'll leave a link in the description down below. But as you guys can see, it says the new Moto G Stylus lands as a $400 S24 Ultra alternative. Let's take a look at some specs. So it says Motorola is added again, announcing the next in a long line of a value for money phones for the North American market. The 2024 Moto G Stylus is out and brings doodling powers to the creative masses at a bargain price. The upgrades from the previous edition include a larger screen canvas to draw on, as well as improved specifications and features of the built-in stylus. Here's all you need to know about the new stylus champion of Motorola. It says the 7th edition of Motorola's venerable stylus phone line offers a sleek modern design kitted in leather-like material for added traction and standout looks, as well as a rare audio jack port, which is crazy to see in 2024, and it also comes in cool color options like Boston Red, Caramel Latte, or Scarlet Wave. And here is the Boston Red version of the phone right here. And as you guys can see, we have a leather-like back on the back of the Moto G Stylus right here. This is honestly something that I really haven't seen since like the Galaxy Note 4 days. If you guys remember the Note 4, we kind of had that leather style back. And I remember the Galaxy S5 as well. I believe they had that leather back or that golf back or whatever. I'll leave a picture of that right there. But honestly, this Boston Red is looking really nice. The screen to body ratio is looking pretty good as well, but it's just awesome to see that we're gonna get a leather back like that. I haven't seen that in a while on a smartphone. If you guys like this, let me know in the comment section down below, but I'm all about a leather back on the back of a phone. It says the leaked official 2024 Moto G Stylus renders already hinted at an altered display aspect ratio, and Motorola has indeed changed some things around. The screen has grown to 6.7 inches, but Motorola made it slightly wider instead of taller, using the 20:9 aspect ratio to add more canvas to doodle on with the stylus. It also says the 1080p POLED display still comes with a high 120Hz refresh rate, a welcome addition at its price point, and is able to display the full DCI P3 color gamut for HDR visuals. So we're gonna have HDR visuals on this, so if you guys have the Netflix subscription that lets you utilize the HDR, you guys can use that on there. Of course, some YouTube videos and other websites let you utilize HDR as well, so always nice to have that, but great to see that we have a POLED display, and I just think it's going to look good, so I'm super hyped about that as well. It also says the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor power is carried over, of course, from the previous Motorola 5G variant from last year, and it says Motorola outfits the 2024 Moto G Stylus with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of basic storage, with a 256GB model available as well. The new Moto G Stylus is also one of the rare phones out there with a microSD card expansion capability for up to 2TB of added storage. And of course, the stylus, it says, as a versatile budget warrior, the new member of the Moto G family wields a mighty stylus that can be tucked into the phone's body when not in use for easier storage. The new stylus design now offers a larger contact area and greatly reduced latency for a smoother note-taking, list-making, and general doodling. It also says the new stylus feature interface allows faster access to all of its functions, with a customizable list of favorite apps that can pop up the second that the stylus is withdrawn. Of course, we've seen this on our Samsung devices, which is why I'm pretty sure they're saying that this is an alternative to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. But of course, it says from fun stuff like GIF making or livening up messages to friends and family, to the more serious stuff like OCR text extraction from documents and digitizing them with Moto Note. The Moto G Stylus does a lot of functions that the thrice more expensive Galaxy S24 Ultra can. So of course, they're toting this $400 phone that can pretty much do everything that the Galaxy S24 Ultra can. in the basic aspects of a phone, obviously. But for the people who want a phone like that and they don't care about all of those nicer aspects of a phone, this may be something that you guys want to look into. Now back to the camera, a new 50 megapixel sensor takes the lead as a main camera on the 2024 Moto G Stylus, complete with optical image stabilization for steady videos and sharper photos in low light. Speaking of nighttime photography, the 50 megapixel sensor offers pixel binning to merge 4 pixels into one giant 2-micron pixel to collect more light when the lights dim down. At this price point, one shouldn't expect periscope zoom, of course, but Motorola offers another versatile camera to compensate that you have to take a step or two forward to take a closer shot. The 13 megapixel ultra-wide camera on the back offers a wider field of view for fitting big groups and landscapes into the frame. Not only that, but it also offers macro mode for the ultimate magnification of close-ups. The 32 megapixel front selfie camera rounds up the photography experience with the 2024 Moto G Stylus. So I'm super interested to see what this will look like compared to the stability that we found in the A35 and the A55, since those devices honestly surprised me this year with the strides they've made over the last few years with the A50 and of course the A30 series as well. So with Motorola being a semi-budget phone, it's kind of more mid-range, honestly. I'm really hoping that the video and the photos are somewhat similar to the A55 and A35, or at least see some improvement from the Moto G Stylus 5G 2023 edition. This is coupled with the large 5000 mAh battery. The 1080p display on the Moto G Stylus does wonders when it comes to battery life. Motorola says that the phone can easily get through a whole day with heavy use, and we tend to agree, as historically this combination of 1080p screen and a big battery has led to some record long battery lives. And of course, not to forget, we are going to have a 1080p display, but it also is going to be a POLED display. So I'm not sure if it's going to be the same as last year's battery life we saw in the 2023 edition. It also says Motorola did not stop here though, as it kitted the 2024 G Stylus with fast 15-watt wireless charging, which is beautiful to see, and 30-watt wired charging, so that you can get a whole day of usage at just 30 minutes of charge time. So beautiful to see that inside of here. That wireless charge rate and the wired charge rate is actually quicker than the Pixel 8a, which is something that's probably going to be in direct competition with the G Stylus 2024. So let me know what you think about that. I think that's really cool to see this on a $400 phone. And as far as the availability and the price of this device, the price is going to be starting at $399 and it's going to be released May 30th. And it is going to be available, of course, at Metro by T-Mobile, AT&T, Cricket, Boost Infinite and Boost Mobile, Consumer Cellular, US Cellular, Spectrum, Xfinity Mobile, Google Fi Wireless, Optimum Mobile, Straight Talk, and Total by Verizon, and of course Visible. So at $400 for the 128GB version, you guys can also get this unlocked. It will be available at Amazon, Best Buy, Motorola, or Walmart, all of course on May 30th. But yeah, everybody, with all of that said, let me know what you guys think about the new Moto G Stylus 2024 in the comments section down below. I know some of the people that had the previous 2023 5G edition maybe won't be upgrading because there are a lot of the things that we saw on that device that are going to be carried over to this next device, but I'm super interested. Are you guys thinking about picking up this device? Is this a total pass, or is this a win for Motorola? Again, I hope you guys have a great day wherever you are, and of course, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, or hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified about more videos just like this one. This has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.